Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 5th chapter, that is combustion of flame. Okay students, in previous classes already we have discussed about that what are the combustible substances, but today we are going to discuss about that what are the combustible substances and what are the non-combustible substances and what are the necessary conditions for the combustion. Especially today we are going to discuss about that what are the necessary conditions, necessary things, needs to or the for the combustion we will discuss. Students, already I have explained about that combustible substance means the substances which undergo the combustion, that is called as a combustible substances, that means which can burn on heating. Okay, so what are they? Generally fossil fuels, petrol, diesel, kerosene, these are the what is that combustible substances, and also natural gases, paper, wood, these are the combustible substances. But students, what is the non-combustible substances? Non-combustible substances means the substances which do not catch fire on heating in air. That substances which do not catch the fire on heating in air in presence of oxygen. If they do not catch the fire, that is called as non-combustible substances. Students, if you will check that what are the combustible substances, what are the non-combustible substances in your surroundings, you can find out so many things. Whether whatever things is there, you can identify whether it is a combustible substances or non-combustible substances. This is for your homework for your students today. You have to see in your art. Okay, so see students, if you see that suppose wood, furnitures are there, surroundings you furnitures are there, furnitures are combustible. Paper, your school newspaper or any paper, that is also combustible substances. Iron rod, non-combustible substances. If iron rod, stone, non-combustible substances. Sand, non-combustible substances. Okay, so we can easily find out which can catch the fire in presence of air, that is called as combustible substances. Which do not catch the fire, that is generally we should say that is non-combustible substances. Okay students, so but before that we have to see things, what are the necessary conditions. If suppose paper, can it burn? Can it burn? If you will catch the fire, if you will touch the fire? No students. If you will paper also, if you will keep that fire, it does not touch or does not catch the fire. Why? What are the important things? Because there is one ignition temperature there. Because there is one ignition temperature there. One particular every substance is having one ignition temperature there to catch the fire. Okay, till that it does not catch the fire. Suppose on paper there is one particular temperature there. Okay, on that temperature at that time that fire will catch. But if it will minimize, if it will decrease the temperature, how it will be? Can it catch the fire? No, students, it is not possible. So, see for example, I will saying students, one plastic cups you take and a candle with you should keep that fire. It will burn. But if you put some one activity you can do also, students, very carefully you do. If one paper cups or that paper cups that is there, that inside or any plastic cups also, so you can take that inside you pour the water, okay, and keep in candle out. You observe that plastic also it does not touch or catch the fire. Why? Because it contains the water. When that water is there, that means the plastics become that temperature, the ignition temperatures are changing. So that's why that plastics or the glasses does not or do not, plastics cups do not catch the fire. Okay, so that means it needs what are the things, what are the necessary conditions, then only that the fire can catch. For that there are three necessary conditions are there, friends. Remember very carefully, how many are there? Three necessary conditions for the combustions. It needs three necessary conditions for the combustion. One, first of all, the combustible substances. If you take iron rod and you will put, never it won't be catch the fire. So it should be combustible substances. First, second, if it is also combustible substances, if remain two things not there, do not catch the fire. So it needs the three things. So first, combustible substances. Second, oxygen. That means presence of air. That means oxygen it needs or it helps to the burn. So second things it needs oxygen. What are the third things? Ignition temperature. Ignition temperature it needs. So students, first of all, combustible substances. Second one is oxygen or air. Third one is ignition temperature. If the three things are there, then that substances can burn or can combustible. Okay, so let us discuss about that. Condition necessary for combustions. There are three conditions necessary for the combustion. One is presence of combustible substances. It needs the combustible substances. Presence of supporter of combustion. Who is supporting for the burning? Oxygen. So combustible substances, oxygen. Third one, ignition temperature or kindling temperature of the combustible substances. Ignition temperature means which substance? At a particular temperature the substance will start to burn or catch the fire. So friends, these are the three conditions very important for the combustion. Okay. First one is combustible substances. Second one is oxygen. Third one is ignition temperature. Generally you should remember. Okay. First one, combustible substances. Second one is oxygen or air. Or air you can say. Third one is temperature. Ignition temperature needs. Okay. So what are the combustible substances? The substances that undergo combustion are called combustible substances. Natural gases, fossil fuels are the combustible substances. What are the non-combustible substances? Non-combustible substances means the substances that which do not catch the fire on heating in air. If in the presence of air or oxygens, also if you give that heat, then it will do not catch the fire. Okay. For examples, glass, iron rod, sand, stone. So many things are surrounding you. You can observe also that do not catch the fire on heating. Okay. So these substances are called as non-combustible substances. Okay. So friends, I have written sand, iron nail, stones, etc. So many things are there. So here I have drawn on a picture, friends. It is fire. You can draw in your classwork in very neatly. It is fire. Three things needs for fire. What is that? One is ignition temperature, combustible substances, and oxygen. Okay, students. I hope you have understood about this. And you should prepare a list surround you. What are the substances? And which are that you should prepare first list of the items or substances, then write down against that which one combustible substances, which are non-combustible substances. Okay students, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.